It's a 2015 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Auxiliary audio input, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, turbo V6 engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Built on tradition, built to last, Ford. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Russell & Smith Ford. Come see us today at 3440 South Loop West Freeway in Houston, Texas.